In this video, I'm going to teach you how to read deleted WhatsApp messages. Somebody has sent you a message on WhatsApp and quickly deleted the message. I'm going to teach you how to read that message he or she has sent to you. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to other people for them to benefit from this video. So first of all, you are going to launch your Play Store. After launching your Play Store, you search for NaughtySave. You search for NaughtySave and then you install. So after you have finished installing, just open your app. So you click to open your app. So we have save notifications. So you select on next. You select on next and then you allow access. Then you select on next. You can allow access by switching NaughtySave on. So you select on next. Then it will send you to your device. You search for NaughtySave and then you select on it. So allow notification access. You turn it on. Yes, you allow access. You allow. Now you go back. You go back and then you search for your NaughtySave and then you click on it. Yes, allow access. You allow access. So it is loading. You wait for it to load. Notification from selected apps will be blocked on status bar. You select on next. So we are going to turn on all the apps and turn it off again. So this is what I'm showing you. All apps. You turn it on and then you turn it off again. So when you turn it off, all the apps will be off. Then you go back. It will send you directly into the app. So we are done setting NaughtySave. So you can select here. So now let's go to WhatsApp and then I'll send a message to my personal number, delete it, and then come to my NaughtySave to read the message. So for the sake of this tutorials, I'm going to use two WhatsApps. This is my business WhatsApp and then my normal WhatsApp. I use two WhatsApps. So I'm going to send message from one of my WhatsApp to another of my WhatsApp and then I'll delete it. Then I'll go to my NaughtySave to see whether I will see the deleted message. So I'm going to send a message. Hello, Teacher Onga, how are you doing? So I'm going to send the message to my other number. So I've sent the message. So let me see whether the message is in. So the message is in. Hello Teacher Onga, how are you doing? So now I'm going to delete the message. I'm going to delete the message. So I delete the message. Then I go to my other WhatsApp. You can see this message was deleted. So now let me go to my NaughtySave to see whether I will see the message that was deleted. So I open it. So you can see this is the message. Hello Teacher Onga, how are you doing? So this message I can read the message. So this was the message that was deleted, and these are all messages that people sent to me and then they deleted it. Now I can read their messages. So if you find this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. This app is very interesting, so I want to send another message and delete again. Yay! Hello, teacher Onga. I saw your girl. So I'll send, then I'll delete. I'll send and then I'll delete. So I delete. When I delete, I want to see the message. So I come to notice save and see whether I'll see the message. So you can see, hello teacher Onga, I saw your girlfriend with another guy. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button so that you become part of this our YouTube community for free. Click the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be notified instantly. And click the like button if this video is helpful. If you have any concerns or questions concerning this video, you can drop it in the comment section.